Yes, then the people, I did have a little shot of the front of the building, but there was some background noise or something was going on. So yes, then this is Wood Green Police Station. This is the back of the Nick right now. Yeah, this is like the 4th or 5th one I've done today. I'm fasted, so you know, if the video quality begins to deteriorate, or I'm not quite on the ball, or anything like that, then you know why. Just kind of bear with me, and yeah, hopefully these guys looking at. Hopefully we can get some interesting content. Oh right, I didn't realise there were 2 gates, but hey, just quickly look at this van. Look at this van. Aquaflow, plumbing, drainage, mechanical pumps, tankers. I'm pretty sure those are 2 police officers in that van. So yeah, interesting disguise. But sorry? What are you doing? You talking to me? Yeah. Oh, I'm just making a video.
What are you making a video for?
What do you mean, what am I making a video for?
You're at the police station, mate.
Well, can I not do that?
Well, we get threats, we do, believe it or not. So just a bit concerned that someone's sitting here filming a police station.
You gotta let me know before you turn that on.
Well, I don't have to let you know.
You do. It's in your policy. It's in your policy though.
No, there's no policy for me to warn you that.
No, there is.
What policy?
I'm not sure of the name of it, but I'm pretty sure.
And I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'm not being rude.
Why are you filming?
Are those 2 officers in there?
I don't know, mate. I don't know. What's your name, mate?
What's your name?
I'm PC Butler Maze, 116 November Alpha.
Why have you got your notepad out?
Because I'm taking down your name.
Are you?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I am, yeah. Because right now, I have a fear that you are here, you are filming that in order to commit an attack on the police station. That's what's happened in the past. So I'm going to require you now, under the Terrorism Act, to provide your details.
Well, I don't have to provide my name under Terrorist Act. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Yes, you
What
do.
section?
It doesn't really matter, mate, right now.
No, mate, I don't have to provide my name under only Section 50 Police Reform Act.
Okay,
under no terrorist legislation do I have to provide my name. Let's not surround me as well.
What?
No, there isn't, mate. Section 43 doesn't require me to give a name. So
okay, so
let's
what are you
not be
doing?
making threats and that. Like,
What are you doing?
Filming the police station.
Why are you filming the police station?
Because I can. Because I want to. I want to.
Do you want to just ring NA6 receiving?
This is pathetic, mate. What are you talking about? I have to give details and this and that. About commit attack on the police station. This is serious, like. So I'm here filming in broad daylight, mate.
Yeah,
and
you're filming in broad daylight. You're filming Reese, civilian entrance where cars come in and out. So why are you filming it? What's your reason?
Mate, if I was to attack a police station, would I film it in broad daylight?
Quite recently attacked.
Well, I'm not here to attack any police station.
So why
mate.
are you filming it?
Because I'm making a video about the police station.
What video are you making about the police station?
Doesn't matter, mate.
Well, why do you have to film people coming in and out that don't want to be filmed?
Tough, mate.
It's not really tough with Terrorism Act.
Well, mate, then you better use that Terrorism Act then. And that will be you know what I mean? That would be an illegal use of that act. No, mate, because you need to have grounds to.
There is grounds.
No, there isn't, mate. Public photography, yeah, mate. So what are your grounds to reasonably suspect that I'm a terrorist?
You're filming. You're doing hostile reconnaissance.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not, mate. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, bro? Nah, man, you're not serious, man. You need to look it up because you don't know what you're talking about.
I know exactly what I'm
talking about. No, you don't, mate.
Yeah, I do.
On your police website, on the Met Police website, it says that filming is not grounds for any sort of Section 43 offence or anything. Bro, seriously.
Well, no, on the Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
No, mate. No, mate. Stop talking rubbish, mate.
You're not filming the front of a police station. You're filming the back.
I know. Guess what, mate? I can film any front, back, side, and whatever angle I like, mate. No, mate. No, mate. No, mate.
Yeah.
No, mate.
Yeah.
Just pack it in, bro. You're talking nonsense, man. Terrorism Act, this and that. Really?
Yeah, it's an act.
It's terrorism.
Yeah, I know the act, mate. It was brought out in 2000. I'm aware of the act.
You haven't got a reason to be filming it.
Yes, I do.
What's your reason then?
Because I want to.
It's not a reason, is it?
Yeah, well, I don't need to give you a reason, mate. This is a freedom to do this. It's my right to do this. I don't need to explain myself to you. I don't need to account. I don't know. It is, mate. Freedom of press. Of course it is, mate. Just like we got freedom of speech. You lot have come out here. You're making yourselves look silly. Like, I'll tell you that for free. Silly, mate.
Sure. I can believe that.
But, like, it's a fact, bro. You're making yourselves
really
look silly.
fact.
Coming out here talking about terrorists, this and that.
Legislation, and you've just admitted you don't know what it says.
I know exactly what it says. In order for an officer to use section 43 of the Terrorist Act, you have to reasonably suspect.
I reasonably suspect you're doing hostile
Alright, based on what grounds?
Your hostile reconnaissance of a police station.
Hostile reconnaissance of a police station. It just doesn't make sense, does it, really? What, in broad daylight on a Thursday afternoon?
Yeah, like, you know, like,
on my phone.
Edmonton?
Yeah, he didn't film any police station.
Well, he probably did film.
No, he didn't, Will. He probably...
Right from the start, notice how calm. This is public filming broad daylight. Nothing hidden, but watch closely. This ordinary moment is about to spiral fast. Do you think filming a police station automatically makes someone suspicious?
He probably did. Mate, I can see all this on Google Earth. Me filming this is not valuable.
Yeah, but you can see it on Google Earth, it's not.
So wait, did that guy that attacked Edmonton, did he film a police station or not? You just said he probably done it. So
I don't know, but...
So obviously, no, you're extrapolating based on that scenario. Yeah, cool.
Area, recently.
And you don't even know, the details surrounding that incident. So how can you...
The details surrounding the incident is you attacked.
Mate, just leave me alone, honestly. Like, am I being detained because I'm going?
Huh?
Am I being detained because I'm going?
Hold on a second.
I'm not holding on nowhere. Am I being detained or not because I'm going?
What do you say?
What do you mean, come here? Am I being detained or not because I'm going?
Under section 43 of the Terrorism Act, I'm going to require you to show me your phone so we can go through it and look at hostile reconnaissance.
Are you?
Yes, I am.
Alright, mate. I've only been using this phone, mate.
Who are you waving at?
Nobody.
Who were you waving at just then?
I don't need to say anything.
Who were you waving at just then? I can nick you and ask you these questions inside.
Go on then.
I don't want to.
Do it, mate.
I'm here speaking
This
to
is
you.
illegal, mate. There you are. If you want to look through my phone, you got powers to look through the phone. You can look through the phone if you want.
Okay, we'll be looking through that other phone in a second, mate. We can take it in turns so you can film. You can carry on filming us as we
Alright,
film.
mate.
Right?
Don't delete anything. Yeah, you need a court order to delete
I won't
something.
delete anything. Can we turn your brightness up, mate? I don't have an iPhone. How'd you do that? Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
You're not going to get my details, by the way, under this act.
Okay.
You don't. I don't require to give any details.
Okay.
And this is illegal, by the way. You didn't have grounds to just do this.
Yes, I
so
do.
I could sue you. I'm
Yes,
already
I do.
suing a sergeant from Stoke Newington.
Okay.
So what was the name?
Why do you have
Blackburn.
repeated?
I mean, I've got an explanation. If it needs be.
What's your explanation then? You're going to give it, or?
Do I need to?
So I can see here. You've
I'm not planning to attack any police station, mate. You just illegally detained me.
I haven't.
And now you're going through my phone. Yes, you have.
Under section 43 of the Terrorism Act, I'm going to require you to show me your phone so we can go through it and look at hostile reconnaissance.
Why do you think I've given my phone over?
Because I've required you to do so under section 54 of the Terrorism Act.
54 or 43?
43. I do apologise, mate.
Okay. So everything you're doing now is very illegal.
It's not illegal.
It is, mate.
It's
It
not
is,
illegal.
mate. It's unlawful, mate. It's an
No,
unlawful
not
stop.
when you sit
Yes, it is,
in the
mate.
police station.
Yes, it is, mate. I don't have grounds. This is a hobby of mine. I'm not planning any attack, mate.
Okay.
Well, we'll see about it in court, mate. We'll see about it in court. You know what I'm trying to say? Smile for the judge, yeah?
And my colleagues.
Smile for the judge. Make sure you're on your best behaviour now, innit? Because the judge is going to see all of this.
Thames Valley Police Station, multiple police stations. A lot of police stations.
Let's just get the number.
Yeah, 1168 November Alpha. I've got nothing to hide.
You are going to be made to account for this.
Can one of you go on split and move away from the customer?
Yes, of course. Reach just go track to him.
You're going to be made to account for this, mate. I understand you may not be educated on these public photography laws, but what you're doing now is illegal. Thank you, miss.
This is very, very wild.
This is illegal, you know. You don't have no grounds. All I'm doing is filming. All I'm doing is filming. You can hear it.
He's got a lot of footage of police stations.
Very, very wild. Make sure you record as well.
He's got a lot of footage of a lot of police stations on his phone.
Yeah, I can have lots of footage of as many police stations as I like,
Why
mate.
he's here just saying he likes to film them. Got another phone, we're going through that as well.
You do understand that all of this I can see on Google Earth as well. So me filming this is not some sort of extra incentive or anything like that.
I'm also aware that part of my job is to keep myself, the public, and my colleagues safe. And if I see someone filming, I often think that people don't like us because they don't.
Have I given off that vibe?
So
I've given you plenty of information.
When I see someone filming my
is abuse your position and just violate laws. Yeah, mate, you've illegally detained me. You're illegally looking through my phone.
Are you going to let me talk, or are you going to keep on shouting? Come on.
Talk, mate.
Okay, so
make it good.
What I am doing is I am making sure that you have a reason to be here so that I can go into that building and I can feel safe.
I don't need to have a reason. I don't have to account for myself.
You do it.
No, I don't, mate.
You do if you
No, I don't. I'm a member of the public, mate. I'm not a criminal. I don't have to account for my actions.
I believe that you can be here for hostile reconnaissance.
Yeah, well, you're wrong, mate.
Okay, I might be wrong, but I want to make sure I'm wrong so I don't go in there and end up getting hurt. I want to go home to my family at the end of the day.
You're going to go home to your family, mate. Don't worry about that. Well, it's just a camera, mate, at the end of the day.
It is a camera, yes.
You haven't even searched me. Like, you think I'm a terrorist and you haven't even searched me. Like, this is pathetic from you. Do you know what I mean? All I've got is two phones.
Who was calling?
Do you know what I mean? I'm a terrorist, apparently, and they're just happy for me to stand there, not in cuffs. Like, this is pathetic. You might as well get on with the search.
Are they calling up someone outside the nick?
This is where things get interesting. An unmarked looking van suspected officers inside. And no transparency. Is this genuine counterterrorism awareness or a stretch that sets the tone for what is coming?
Yes, mate, it's nothing particularly interesting on there, do you know what I mean?
Sorry, police. Why are you filming every police station?
Because I can. Because I want to. Because I want to. Because I want to.
What's your reason?
Because I want to. And I don't hate you, by the way. I don't want to harm you, do you know what I mean? I don't discriminate on anyone based on their job or their uniform. Yeah, so I appreciate that and stop flipping going through my phone. Detain me under some terrorist legislation. All now I'm standing here, not in cuffs.
Yeah.
You don't know what I've got in my pockets.
I don't, you're right.
So it's not really adding up, is it? Like, it just seems like you've abused your position.
I have power to go through your phone to see what you're doing.
I understand you have power, yeah. Look at this.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
He was waving at people.
I'll cut it and pick it back up. Have you not got like a job to be getting on with or anything like that?
Dealing with you.
But it's pretty obvious that you don't kind of regard me as a threat, like. Are you done going through my phone?
I am not, no. I'm on the 17th of March. I've only even gone back a month.
So how far are you intending to go back?
Probably going to go through it all, to be honest with you, mate.
And hope to find what?
You don't need to keep on trying to wind me up.
I'm not trying to wind you up. What are you trying to find, mate? I don't understand. Like,
I'm trying to sit on here to make sure that you are not threatening, you are not planning anything in which any one member of the public, myself or my colleagues...
Mate, if I was a terrorist, would I just like hand over my phone that's got this information? Like, it's just not really making logical sense to me, mate.
Okay.
Seems like you're just
how about we just be quiet?
Abusing your position. I don't want to be quiet, mate. How about you stop going through my phone? With insufficient grounds. How about that? How about you stop violating my rights? Look at this. Look at all these police, man. This is embarrassing. What's this? Met Police. For the future generations, what's the date today? 22nd of April 2021. This is the situation we're in. Any comment to make about this? Because you're culpable by not saying anything and just letting him get on with it. Obviously not. We protect our own, don't we? So Officer Blackburn is still going through my phone, trying to find any evidence of some terrorist activity. I hope you're not deleting anything.
I'm not deleting anything, don't you worry.
It's all backed up anyway.
Okay.
You wouldn't want to have to answer to a judge if you were to delete anything, right? Any sergeant here? Any inspector? Anything like that? No? A van, 2 cars. You still haven't explained the grounds for the search either. You haven't said what you're expecting to find either.
I don't know what I'm expecting to find. I've told you what I'm looking for.
Part of this, part of grounds for the search, you have to tell me what you're expecting to find. You still haven't done that, so just further cause for the illegal detention and search.
I haven't searched you at all.
Yeah, but you still stopped me under this legislation. I understand that under this legislation you've got the powers to go through my phone.
Yeah, and that's all I've done. I've not searched you, I've not touched you. You handed me this.
Yeah, but you still stopped, you still detained me.
Yep.
But you still stopped, you still detained me.
Yep.
I'm detained. Yeah, so this is like I was telling you, my emails between me and Clyde and Chloe regarding this. So
I'm reading.
You're going to end up in the same fate as well.
Okay.
More taxpayer money is going to be wasted.
Okay. So you've been arrested for doing this before, haven't you?
I've never been arrested.
It says here in this letter, you've just told me between you and your solicitor, you've been arrested for doing this outside Reading Police Station.
Yeah, that information is not correct.
Is it not?
I was arrested outside High Wycombe Police Station.
Okay. So you just told me you weren't arrested. Which one?
So they arrested me under section... No, because the information in there is not correct. It was outside High Wycombe, not Reading.
Okay.
So anyway, I was arrested under section 50 of the Police Reform Act for not giving my details.
Yep.
Yeah, it wasn't for doing this.
Okay.
And obviously that was dropped as well.
Okay. Well, currently you're not being arrested, so we don't want to get you arrested.
All right, mate. Don't backpedal now. Do you know what I mean?
I'm not backpedaling. I've never tried to arrest you.
You said that you were going to arrest me and take me inside if I don't give my details. You said I have to give my details under section 43. I don't have to give my details under section 43. Okay. You don't even know the act. Like, you've stopped me under it. You've gone and talked in the walkie-talkie, and now you're going through my phone. Yo, bro.
Important legal point here, under UK law section 43 of the Terrorism Act does not automatically require someone to give their name. This is a critical moment because misunderstanding this power can turn a lawful stop into an unlawful one. Who do you think knows the law better here?
How's everyone doing today? Doing good?
He's going to go through this phone as well, apparently.
As far as I can see, mate, you were correct in the fact that you do use your phones to film police stations, right?
Yeah.
And I do appreciate you do that, and you also know that you've been stopped doing this multiple times, so you know why we do this, okay? Do you want to give me your name now?
No, I'm not going to give you my name.
Can you give me your mobile phone? On the mobile phone I just gave you back, because, like, you know, I also had the power to get that under section 43.
What, this one as well?
No, the one that I just gave you back, all right?
Why?
That's the one I've just gone through and searched.
Well, no, you've just given it to me, mate.
Yeah, I know, but I'm asking, so I could have made the requirement while I had the phone. You can hand it back here and I can do it then.
Do
I'm just
what?
asking for the mobile phone number.
For what, mate?
I'm just asking for the mobile phone.
Why would I give you my phone? You've just given it back to me. I'm not giving you my phone again, mate. But you've done what you've had to do.
Wait.
Look at these bully boy tactics, man. Why would I hand over my phone again, bro? You're buzzing, man. You lot, like, bro, say something, man. Come on, Duggan, mate.
I don't need to say anything at the moment. My colleague's been dealing with it.
You've got like that nice hair and that. I can appreciate that. Tell my man to pattern up, bro. You're not taking no phones.
Well, my colleague's already detention of the power. We have the right to take the phone.
You're not taking no phones. This is what you want to do. You're recording, yeah?
Yeah. We're all recording, so.
Yeah, but something tells me I might struggle to get that footage. Don't come out on some mad thing. I might have to stop the recording.
So I'm not going to call you anything.
All right.
I apologise for any inconsistencies, okay? But thank you very much for complying. You are free to go, although you weren't detained at any point.
But
you still detained me.
Yeah, thank you very much.
What do you mean I wasn't detained at any point?
I never told you were detained.
Yes, you did, mate.
I never told
yes, you did. You said section 54 and then you said 43.
I never told
so you're a
you
liar. You're a liar. You're a liar. You're a liar. Yes, you did, mate. You said I was detained under section 43.
As I was saying, thank you very much.
You're a joker, mate. Get out of here, man.
Much.
You're dismissed, man. Get out of here.
Have a lovely afternoon.
Get out of here. Look at this joker, dismissed, man. Get out of it. Look at these bully boy tactics. Babylon bully boy tactics. You saw all of that, right? Can you believe this? Can you believe that? Literally, and I'm a terrorist apparently. And then he said I wasn't detained. Alright, Blackbush, you're a muppet, mate. Sausage, man. What a dickhead, bro. Trying to get me fucking mad. Anyway. What are you saying? Cut the recording or what? Fucking dickhead, bro. That guy's a fucking... Anyway, I'm gonna cut the recording before. Anyway, love, take care, yeah? You too.
This is the core clash: public photography versus hostile reconnaissance. Filming alone is not reasonable suspicion under terrorism legislation. So ask yourself, where is the evidence beyond a camera and a phone? Now the stakes jump. Searching a phone under terrorism powers requires clear lawful grounds. Once an officer mixes up section 43 and section 54, that confusion matters because courts care about precision. Would this hold up in front of a judge? And here is the contradiction that wraps it all up. Detained, not detained, then dismissed. If someone was not detained, why the search? The threats and the time held. This ending raises a serious accountability question. Was this about safety or about saving face?